We at this sushi shop called cái gì này, cà phê, trà đá, nước mía. Well, they got the, I think those are lemon. I think that is sugarcane. We got sugarcane and avocado smoothie. Fresh sugarcane right here. Yeah. Yep. So this is. Let me see how good it tastes. You guys never had sugar cane? So delicious. I mean, the sweetness can give you a little stomach ache, but you'll be fine. Oh, look at that bag. And we're just gonna sit out on the street and we're gonna drink it. Cho ly nước dừa luôn nghe cô. Look how she's gonna chop up that dừa. Wow, say thank you. Nói cảm ơn đi. She's making it.
You want to watch her make your avocado smoothie?
Avocado. That looks so good. Condensed milk, add a little sugar, some water. Put it in the blender. That's it, guys. Đó, xong rồi nè, xong rồi đó. Vừa lạnh vừa ngon. Đó. Quay giùm mình coi để mình trả tiền. Rồi cô, bao nhiêu vậy cô?
Có bơ nữa mà.
Có bơ thì đó, đang đem bơ ra đây, đợi chút. Ủa quá đi. Bao nhiêu cô? 100 tròn hả? Ok, thanh số lại cô.
Tell me how your tropical avocado smoothie is. It's good?
No, it's coconut. That's coconut. Okay. That's coconut.
Can y'all believe this? Avocado smoothie, sugarcane juice, coconut juice, $4. $4, guys, for this. If this was in America, this is $8. $8, and this probably $8. So $4 for all of this. Let's enjoy it. Let me try it. Oh, so good, so
good?
sweet.
You love it?
Try this. Oh,
Babe.
love this. Oh, come on, go. Okay, come on, go nha.
I want money. I want money.
No, sit down and eat.
Lần nào mà cần sức tốt tới đây uống thì cũng ở khách sạn gần đây nè.
Order stop.
Alright guys, just sitting here enjoying a little coconut juice. This would be nicer if it was a little bit more cold.
But it's fresh.
But it's fresh coconut. You know. Oh, I love sugar cane. I don't want that, baby. Sugar cane is so good, so refreshing. I like it so much. Look at my son eating the avocado, sipping on it. How's the avocado? Good, huh? The avocado is bomb.
The fruits here are very fresh, guys.
Everything is fresh, man. That's what I love about Vietnam. I miss this, man. I can, you know, you live in America, you have to go to a location, a plaza. This is right on the street, my friend. Look at this, right on the street of Phố Cổ. It's like an old street of Hanoi. That's what it is. So cool. The weather right now is humid, not cold, not hot. Right on time. Take a picture with Daddy.
1, 2, 3.
Boom. This is so cool. Ngon, Colin. Thấy không?
The I messages go through. The group messages.
Alright.
Daddy, look. Daddy, Daddy, look.
That's so cool. Look at
You don't
that.
want anything in there?
Alright guys, on to the next stop. See you guys later.